Hello and welcome to my channel again. Today I talk about a special machine. This is a old computer from Tektronix. Tektronix is a famous brand of oscilloscopes, but also create computers like this from late of 17th. This is a vector graphics based computer. Now this video is talk about how repair it or how detect the issues of this machine. This machine, when I get it from basement of my university, doesn't work. Respond the keys, but not show anything to screen and do anything when homepage press it. And I think the high voltage is down or the screen is dead. Let's go to the how to figure out how to detect the issues of this computer. First of all, I make thanks to VCFE vintage Federation computer, especially Monty McGraw is a specialist of Tektronix machines and helped to me to download schematics, because it's difficult to find the schematics of this type of machine. This is Tektronix 1452A model A. Is based on CPU 6800, 16-bit slice is 8-bit, but get 16 bits word in two slices. And normally this machine built in with basic. Its basic interpreter is built in, and can is possible works as terminal, as serial terminal. They have serial terminal in the back, and have DC 300 tapes. Is a little annoying tapes because it's hard to find and hard to repair some old tapes like this. This is original software sell with this machine. Is a plot 15 system software tape. I try to recover it, but I replaced the inside band, but some tracks are damaged. Let's go to the repair it. Open the cover. You remember they have two knobs in the back side, and 4 screws in the back. In the bottom have the 2 screws, the hexagonal screws, and the back have the Phillips screwdriver. This is inside the machine. This is power supply, tape drive, and CRT. In the other side have the display board. Maybe have issue, I don't know. First, I need to check all fuses and check all voltages in the power supply. First of all, we remove the power supply and check it. extract three screws, one in the back. Disconnect the fan and all tensions of high voltage and the low voltage. Now disconnect. Maybe extract the expansion. Expansion with the two cartridges expansion and the serial port. Now we can try the extract. This is a power supply. We need to check the fuses if existing any short circuit or any fuse is blown. Maybe need to change this fuse support because it's broken. And let's go to the remove this board and replace this fuse support and fuse socket. First of all, check all the fuses and the output voltages. This power supply produce 365 volts for the CRT and the display board, and also outputs the 5 volts for the logic, 20 and minus 20 volts. First of all, get the schematics and check all the voltages. Then I get the schematics from Monty McGraw. This very helpful guy from VCA forums, and helped to me to find the correct schematics to check all voltages before repair the display board. We check the all voltages. If you look the schematics, I marked the different points to check different connectors. Can you look different voltages appears are okay. For example, in P24 connector, P23, 22 and 21 connectors. For example, 24 is 32
320 volts unregulated with the fuse. The fuse is correct, and change the fuse folder. I checked it, and the voltage power supply outputs 353 volts. Is in the range of the voltages. This is used for the high voltages used for the display board, and for example the other voltages like 12 volts and 15 volts that use on the magnetic tape. Now try to figure out where is the short circuit on the display board. Indeed, because when I disconnect all the boards from the power supply, the power supply are good and not fuses blown. First, we need to remove careful the display board, because the display board is connected to the power transistors located on the same chassis, and take care the lot of cables out of the display board and goes directly into the chassis. I am starting to check with the multimeter the display board alone, and starting from the input voltages connectors, and found it 4 tantalum caps are shorted, and try to change it. Well, the next episode continuing to restore the unit and clean the keyboard and repair the one key is broken. Stay tuned and see you soon.